Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. We are out on location. Locksport on location, picking in the wild. So what you got here is two master locks. Don't know what that says there, probably China 40. And then this one down here is another one. So I'll just give them a squirt, a WD-40. The homeowner has already tried to do that and has gotten nowhere with them. They are seized up completely. So this one down here, you put the key in, nothing happens, cylinder doesn't turn. And this one up here, the cylinder turns, but the shackle doesn't free up. So we're going to go for this one first. I'm going to hand you over to my lovely assistant. And I'm probably going to start bashing this one. Since I've got the ability to be able to turn this shackle, so see how it already turns. That's really free. So I'm thinking the actuator isn't engaging. Something snapped, perhaps because it stays there. It doesn't spring back, and that should spring back. So I'm just going to use our three hands, knowing that the top of the keyway is where the shackle releases from. That's the end we're going to give the biggest whack on and see how we go. So you might want to turn down your volume. Block your ears. Here we go. There we go. First one off. Let's go for the hardest one. Join me down there. So this one, get a good shot of that. Unable to turn, but it does turn a fraction. So that's just slop. So what we got to do is just give it some taps. Try and free it up anyway. Tap it all over. Give it another whirl. That's still not doing it. Use the key to rake it. So we've got some high cuts. I wonder if these are front shimmable. Let's find out. Give ourselves a pick. So I might hear you ask, why am I not undoing these bolts, removing this thing from the gate, and then trying to work on the lock? Because that's not reality. Sometimes you don't get that option. Still test run on this one. So let me know when we get to 7 minutes.
We're at 7.
Oh, okay. Shit. Okay, let me know when we get to... No, not shingle. Okay. Might be just one pin that won't let you work it. Okay, we have movement on the core. You see that, people? We've got that happening. Third hand again. Let's get it happening. Don't lose it. Don't lose it, don't lose it. Okay, can you get your hand in there and hold that up there like that, please, lovely camera assistant? Try not to hit you, just bring it out this way a little bit more. Move it. Okay. Okay. So hold that up there like that. Doesn't want to spring back. Okay. It's a stubborn beastie, this one. can you get your other hand in here and keep that key turned to that clockwise position? Thank you. Got it?
Yep.
Away from there. Time.
11.5.
Oh, did you feel that, Locksporters? I won't give you the slow-mo because I don't do slow-mo, but it went like this. It crashed into the knuckle and slid off. Yeah, look out for that when you're doing this sort of stuff, people. Owie. Okay, well, you know what happens now, people. I'm going to get the Dremel out. I'm going to cut the shackle about there to release this. I'm not going to show you that part of the process because I've done it on my channel before. Check out my videos on the 2225 Lockwood. And yep, that's coming up into a nice bruise now, isn't it? Oh, can you hold that? I'll get up. The other thing about doing Locksport in the wild, people, is you're in uncomfortable positions. You can't always pick a lock when you're in an uncomfortable position. Can't always do what you need to do when you're in an uncomfortable position. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.